Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing my favorite cream cheese frosting recipe. It's super fluffy, creamy, and really easy to make. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 120 grams of cream cheese and add half a cup of icing sugar. Now mix them both together and beat until smooth. Then pour in 1 cup of cold heavy cream and wipe until thick and fluffy. And that's it. Our cream cheese frosting is ready. Super fluffy, creamy, and so delicious. You can use it for cupcakes, cakes, or any dessert you like. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.